So I found the perfect set of dish drying mats. These are from Caketime, and these are made from food grade silicone. They're BPA-free, so they're nice and safe, and they are super, super soft. And I did get the gray ones here. And of course it does have ribs, and this is going to catch any kind of drips and water droplets that fall off the utensils or items that you put on here. So if you want to put your utensils on here, let them dry, or any kind of bowls, you can just kind of flip them over, and the water is just going to catch into the pan or into the mat. And these guys are also heat resistant. This can go from -40 Fahrenheit to 446 degree Fahrenheit. So 446 degree Fahrenheit, super, super hot. So you can put like hot pans on here. You can use it for barbecues, put hot cookies on here to dry, things like that. And it's gonna be perfectly fine. So along with being a dish drying mat and a nice, really hot pad, this would make the perfect solution for like your dog's dish. You can put your dog's food dish on here, water dish, especially if they're making splashes. It's going to catch any kind of splash that hits your floor. Great for barbecues, picnics, or just have it on your counter. Or you can put it even in the refrigerator. Just put this in the refrigerator, put any kind of items on top of that might like drip over or splash. You don't want to get anything on the refrigerator. This is going to catch it all for you. And the best thing about this, you can stick this in the dishwasher. So easy to clean up. You don't have to worry about washing. Stick in the dishwasher with the other dishes, wash it off, and use it again. So anyway, that's the Caketime 2-pack dish drying mats. Check them out.